to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. In today's episode, we have a really fun one for you, and this is a continuation of the acceleration video that I did previously. One of the tests I now incorporate in all of my reviews is a 40 to 80 mile an hour Top Gear roll-on test. Since my previous video, I have changed the venue to a more level venue. While Top Gear roll-on isn't reflective of the quickest bike in the quarter mile, it does give you an idea of the low to mid-range power that a bike makes in real-world riding situations. And to me, it's a much better indication of performance than strictly a quarter-mile performance time. Today we'll be looking at 5 bikes, starting with Kawasaki's 1985 Eliminator 900. We'll also have Suzuki's XS1100E of 1983 and Suzuki's 1982 XS1100G. And from Yamaha, we'll have the 1980 XS1100 Special and Yamaha's 1986 FJ1200. I've included some bonus ride and acceleration video for each of the bikes, so I really hope you enjoy this fun video. All right, man, what a lot of fun. It's really cool to see how these bikes from the early to mid 80s compare back to back against one another. I think it's really cool that 4 of these bikes clocked within 1/10 of a second of one another. And for all intents and purposes, that's just about dead even. And you know, that can be accounted for by the accuracy of the speedometer or the conditions on the day that it was tested. It's interesting to me to see that 2 of the bikes, the shaft drive 2-valve per cylinder XS1100G Suzuki and the 1980 XS1100 Special, actually clocked quicker 40 to 80 mile an hour times than the 16-valve GS1100E and the 16-valve Eliminator 900. It was certainly close in the contest, and if you get the Eliminator or the GS1100E up in the rev range above 6,000 RPM, they do walk away from the 2-valve per cylinder bikes. The bike that was a real shocker for me was the FJ1200. It clocked a time that was essentially 2 seconds quicker than its next competitor. That is a shocking difference. That 2-second difference really represents the technological advancements that were happening in the mid-80s. It's also indicative of the displacement advantage that the FJ1200 enjoys over the other bikes in this test. Regardless, it was a really, really good time. And in reality, the FJ1200 was the quickest bike in top gear acceleration of its day, besting even the VMAX, the V65 Magna, and the 1100 Sabre. All right. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.